Hi guys, my name is Yusuf and we are using Aveva E3D tutorial. In this video, I will create the remaining part of the pump discharge piping. Here I will demonstrate the advanced drag object tool. The use of this tool will show the object can be moved along with connecting fittings. Now I will create orifice flanges in the flow direction after the elbow by using the advanced component. Now I will drag down in the component editor. Now I will create pump P discharge line to be connected to pump A discharge line downstream of pump isolation gate valve. Existing T connection as made on my first video. In the new line, head and tail rule, and after that we'll add component wafer check valve, auto create on, flange will be created with the wafer type check valve. In the flow direction, flange can be replaced with the weld neck, and after that we'll create one elbow, 90-degree elbow. In the backward direction, now we'll create one gate valve with flanges. Change the flange type, it will be weld neck. And the elbow will be connected by the positioning tool. Position to the tail. Now we'll move to create the belt outlets for the drain connection. Just before the flange, in the flow direction, orientate as per required direction. The both pump A and pump B has drain connections. The same practice will follow the both side. A3B spec we are using, piping specification. A3B, and the size is 25 millimeter. And just after, we have to make one more connection, branch connection, for the flow control valve. One weldolette upstream of the flanges will create here. Adjust the size, move upward for clearance flow control valve. We can drag up orifice flanges by using the advanced editor. And the upstream and downstream of the flow control valve, we will create weldolette. We check the dimension. One more weldolette in the flow direction after the weld neck flanges. Orientate. We'll add one globe valve, this NPT globe valve. We'll create one nipple, and the advanced editor will move the globe valve and can orientate. This is just for teaching purpose. And now we will move to the drain connection, as we have already created two weldolettes. We will create the one new branch connection for the drain connection. Modify pipe and new branch. Rename the branch. As per DR, so the drain connection. We'll not select the tail point. We will start our piping from the head, from the weldolette, and now we will create one gate valve. This NPT gate valve. And it will be plugged with pipe nipple. And now tail connection will be selected as the end component, and end component is the plug. Now this small branch is created, and the same practice we will follow on pump B. Pipe, modify pipe and branch connection, rename the branch, Select the head, leave the tail as it is without selecting. A3B piping specification. PMS is A3B. Add the gate valve. One dotted line is shown as head to tail. When it will be blue highlighted, we can start working on it. The color is blue. As long as it's red, we cannot use this one. And it will be blue. Unnecessary branch connection will be deleted, mistakenly added. Now this will be our working pipe, this new branch line, our working pipe. Rename this. The same one gate valve, NPT type, and plugged, and then tail connection will be the last component. Must close the line with the tail connection. We'll close the pipe editor. And now we'll move to the flow control valve upstream side. One drain connection required here as per PNID. The same lesson here. New branch, rename, select the head as T, and tail leave as it is, unconnected. We'll add the NPT gate valve with pipe nipple. Set working line. The same thing. If you have any comment, please write down. I will try to make it more easier in the next video. In the next video I will use more useful commands, tools. Thanks for watching.